This has become my go-to chicken wings recipe, especially when I'm making it on the grill. The gas grill, that is. So stay tuned, let's get to it. Alright, we're going to be starting with prepping the chicken wings. I get my wings from Costco, where the drumettes and the other half is already separated. I get them into a nice big freezer bag. I cut up some onions, just loosely. I get them into a blender. So in terms of spices, we're going to be adding in some paprika, a good amount of turmeric, a nice amount of extra virgin olive oil, some salt, freshly ground black pepper, and we're gonna blend it all up until it's a complete puree. Look at that. As soon as you open it, you get hit with that incredible aroma. It's unbelievable. Then you pour it into the Ziploc, get a little bit of water into the blender, swirl it around so nothing goes to waste, and into the Ziploc it goes as well. Seal it up. Mix it up really well. You want to make sure every single piece gets covered. Now you turn on your grill. On a 3-burner system, I put the left 2 on high just to heat up. And once it gets to 300, it's time to clean off that grill. So I scrape it down. I add a little bit of oil just to lubricate those grates. And once it's at 350, I start adding in the wings, one at a time, and packing the entire grate. Every 4 minutes or so, I try to flip them so that they don't burn too much, and I keep doing that until it hits a perfect internal temp of between 180 and 195. And the final result. You can't tell me you don't smell that through the screen. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think so far, because that looks just incredible. And there you have it. Easy, delicious, go-to chicken wings on the gas grill. I'll see you in the next one.